To buy Pandabuy items with PayPal. Start by creating a Pandabuy account if you do not already have one. Go to the Pandabuy website and click on the Sign Up button. Then enter your email address and password to register. Once you have an account, browse the website for the items you want to purchase. Add the items to your shopping cart by clicking the Add to Cart button next to each item. When you have added all the items you want to buy, click on the shopping cart icon and then click on the Proceed to Checkout button. Fill in your shipping address and contact information. Then choose PayPal as your payment method. You will be redirected to the PayPal website to complete the payment. Log into your PayPal account by entering your email address and password. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct, including the amount and the recipient. If everything is correct, click on the Pay Now button to complete the payment. Once the payment is complete, you will be redirected back to the Pandabuy website. You will receive an email from Pandabuy confirming your order and providing you with a tracking number. Use this tracking number to track the status of your order. It is also a good idea to check the Pandabuy website for any promotions or discounts that may be available. You can also use the Pandabuy app to make purchases and track your orders. To ensure a smooth payment process, make sure your PayPal account is funded and your account information is up to date. By following these steps, you can easily buy Pandabuy items with PayPal. Remember to always review the payment details carefully before completing the payment, and to track your order to ensure it arrives safely.